I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, hey, hey.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, hey, hey.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, hey, hey. I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Día es de fiesta, de alcohol María en la dieta. Tengo estamina como atleta. Esto es un party de John Z. Todo el mundo anda ruleta. Echa las maletas porque mañana cojo un avión pa' la puñeta. Dame de esos rositas en la receta. Una moñita de esa capeta. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes sometimes and feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. You say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. That ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Daily, daily, get to do the shit I love up on a daily. Daily, daily, everybody go and live your daydreams up. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation.
De vacaciones,
You don't like your license, you should go and change it.
de vacaciones cogemos Airbnb, villas y mansiones. Mujeres bien borrachas cantando todas las canciones. Ponche de alcohol, bien lleno los jarrones.
Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Hey, GM, everybody, and welcome to this, your daily dose of Web3 morning motivation. We're coming live on YouTube. We're coming live on X. We're coming live on Facebook and LinkedIn. So no matter how you are receiving this message, welcome to the space that aims to entertain you, motivate you, and educate you during this bull cycle as you come in. Please make sure that you hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, the retweet button, the comment button, all the buttons, because that's how you tell the algorithm that this is the content that you want to push up people's timeline, because this is the content that brings the vibes, the mojo, and all the energy that you need to get your day started. So, without further ado, let's get this show started. Welcome back. This is your host, Degen, and we got a very, very special show prepared for all of you today, because we're going to be talking about how the markets are in total shambles, with the magnificent seventh currently set to erase $1.5 trillion of the market cap today. And that's today alone, in what is one of the biggest crashes in history, brought to you by your good friends over at Japan. And we will also talk and cover all the latest news happening around the cryptocurrency space. So don't go anywhere. Grab your coffee, stay around, because we're gonna have so much fun today. We will also talk about our latest advancements in our decentralized autonomous technology, the Degen wallet. So if you're keen on joining our community and getting access to these cutting-edge technologies before the masses, simply follow the OpenSea link that is in our bio or in the description of our YouTube. From the outset, our vision has been to empower our community with unmatched financial freedom. And we began by minting out our Degen Forest NFT collection back in May 2023. This collection is the only ticket that grants you access to beta test all of our technology before anybody else. It's also the only way that you can earn freshly minted Mule tokens as a reward for helping us battle test our technology, because we're also about to release our Degen wallet into the public. This is in just a few weeks now that the Mule token is live and trading on exchanges. And let me tell you something, guys. This is more than just a wallet. That's right. This is the pinnacle of a Web3 bank, revolutionizing decentralized finance, Web3, and NFT management, because our mission is to bring decentralized autonomous technology to the masses, creating a world where everyone can thrive in a safe and secure digital environment. Now, I don't want to move forward without first giving a big shout out to all our Degens in the house. Look at the chat box. Look at that beautiful chat box. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Today, a day where the market is crashing and everybody's wondering what the heck it's going on. So thank you for tuning in, and please make sure that you smash the like, the subscribe, make sure that you share with everybody, because today we're gonna be talking about everything that is going on the market to give you a little bit of perspective. The next few weeks are gonna be down bad, so you need to have the proper perspective in terms of what is or yet to come, because right now you got everybody telling you that the bull market is over. Do you really think that the bull market is over? Oh, let me tell you something. It's far from over. But don't let black swan events, although that we cannot yet officially call this a black swan event, don't let market crashes like this fool you. Don't let the market crash like this fool you. The bull market is far from over, and we're gonna let you know why here. But before, I needed to let you know why is it that we're here. What is our main goal here at the Degen Forest? And that is for you to be happy.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier.
We got Sammy on the chat box asking, are we gonna make it? Of course, my man, of course that we are going to make it. There's nothing new under the sun, and what you're looking at right now took place in 2020 as well. So you need to put things into perspective, because things like these are not abnormal, and it's things like this what the Fed was waiting on. This is just the Fed was waiting for something to break, so that now they got no option. They gotta print. All right, so of course everybody right now is wrecked. Everybody's looking at Bitcoin at $50,000, $559. And let me tell you something. I'm looking right here. I don't know if you noticed this screen, but I got paying close attention to the futures, the liquidations. Where's the liquidity sitting at? Red line equals strong liquidity waiting, buy zones. These are buy zones, right? Let me get closer. It's a big buy zone sitting at $49,000. We have a big buy zone at $50,000. That's where we at right now. You see the line moving right on top of the liquidity line. This line was a very red. This morning, this line, let me move this. Right? This line right here was a very red, a lot of red on this side. Now the next red line is right here. Look at this. Right here is the next red line. Okay, that's 49,000. After that, we got 48,000. So we are eating the 50,000 liquidity zone right now. Let me see if I can bring this over so you can maybe see it a little bit better. So right here, boom. So you got red line. This is bookmark. What is it? Bookmark. Booksmark. I think is this book map. Was mark. Why am I saying map? It's book map. If you wanna know what I'm looking at, it's a real-time view of the futures and where the liquidity zones are sitting at. So it's a great heat map view in real time of where the price is going following liquidity. So you can see that we had a big red line sitting at a $50,000 level and we're eating it. See how we were yellow and now we're eating it in real time. The bulls are really trying to fight it, but they're having a hard time fighting this $50,000 line. So the liquidity is being ate alive. So I expect, look, a bunch of liquidity just came in and we just took it. Look at that, took it. The red dots equals sells or buys, and the size of the bubble represents how big that sell or buy was. So we're gonna eat these a lot, and we're gonna come down here, and then we're gonna come down here. So after we visit this zone right here is where I'm expecting for us to come back up again. So we got two big lower zones just waiting for us right here. Look at that, red and red, waiting for us right here. Can we go down to 47? That's a possibility. That's always a possibility, but we don't know if that is actually going to happen. Right now we're sitting at $50,000 level, and everybody's wondering what the heck went down. What happened? What took place? Why this is going on? Why is Bitcoin sitting at $50,000? And the response is Japan. Japan, baby. There's no other response. There's no other motive. Japan literally went on a massive leverage rally, right? If we can call it that. In a massive leverage rally for almost 30 years, accumulating over upwards of $4 trillion in leverage debt. That is exactly what is causing everything to break, not just Bitcoin, but the NASDAQ 100 futures fell as much as 6.5% pre-market. The market is just about to open in a few minutes, guys. We are still in a few minutes before the markets actually open, trading just 2.7% away from the bear market territory. The Magnificent Seven currently set to erase $1.5 trillion of the market today alone. Meanwhile, Japan's stock market just posted its largest two-day decline in history. Just 3 weeks ago, The stock markets were hitting an all-time high around the globe. Panic selling is an understatement. So if you're thinking, is people panic selling? Bro, that is an understatement. Everybody's scared. Everybody and their mom is capitulating. Everybody is looking at what Japan is doing to the carryover trade and actually trying to front run everybody in Japan. So now is the musical shares game, because remember, all of this is just a big Ponzi scheme. In case you didn't know. In case you didn't know. In case you didn't know. Everything is a Ponzi. Now they will tell you that Bitcoin and Ethereum is a Ponzi. No, that is actually the only thing that, in my opinion, is not a Ponzi. Everything else is. Decentralized technology is not, because it's on the hands of the people. But everything else, control and manipulate it at will. For example, look at the Japanese exchange. Circuit breaker. They went live last night, right? Last night for us, morning for them. When they went trading, circuit breaker, right away, 4% down, boom, they halted trading. In a decentralized ecosystem, you cannot halt trading. On centralized ecosystems, like what you see in the stock market, the Ponzi scheme of governments and capitalism, well, that's how it works. When they don't like when you sell, bro. They love when you buy, but they don't like when you sell. So when you sell, they will halt trading. And now you want to exit, and they will only allow their friends, their whales, to exit. Meanwhile, you, the retail guy, the little guy, no, you're stuck with the bag. You're stuck with the bag. You think crypto is bad, bro? Oh, you thought crypto was bad? Look at what's going on in Japan. Look at what's going on in South Korea. South Korea market came to a complete halt. Halted trading. Done. Gone. Oh, but you say crypto is corrupt. Oh, but you say that crypto is a scam. Oh, yeah, right. At least we're not halting trading. We continue to trade. We continue to operate despite, regardless of what you guys are doing over there at Japan and at South Korea, manipulating the markets by not allowing the proper correction to take place. Let it go down. If you took that much leverage, let it go down then. Why are you scared, bro? Why you halt trading? You can see the manipulation, guys, right in front of your eyes. If you don't see it happening, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. So maybe you're wondering, but what's really going on? What is this Japan carryover trade that everybody's talking about? Well, our good old friend Adam Q, or who, I don't know how to say your name correctly, bro, did a nice breakdown explaining what is going on. The sharp rise in the Japanese USD or the yen USD is causing a massive unwind of the yen carry trade positions and contributing to the sharp decline of US stocks. For those who do not understand how this works, let me please explain. Many traders were borrowing the Japanese yen at a low interest rate. Forget about low interest rate, zero interest rate for almost 30 years. You could get debt, free money. Free money. You can leverage your way to Valhalla if you were taking loans in Japan, and that's exactly what they allowed. That's exactly what happened. So they were borrowing that at lower interest rates. Then they converted that into USD, and then they used that to buy US stocks. Now that the Bank of Japan is raising interest rates and is strengthening significantly against the dollar, so first you had cheap money, now no cheap money for you no more, sir. And not only that, now the value of the yen has strengthened. meaning that when you sold your yen to the dollar, and now when you want to buy it back, you have to buy it back at a higher price. Oh boy. So now these traders are in big shit. Not only must they pay higher interest for the yen they borrowed, but now they're facing huge forex losses as well. The USD assets they are holding may not be enough to repay what they have borrowed. This is causing a huge unwind of these trade positions. Traders are facing big losses. Margin calls are selling their US stocks to rise because they need dollars to buy back yen so that then they can pay back their loans. It's that simple. They need to pay back their loans. So this can lead to more selling pressures. And as an investor, this is great news because this is a short-term crisis. This is panic. And all of this that this does is just creates opportunity. Okay? That's all it does. All this is doing is creating opportunities for those who are paying attention. Were you here during the COVID crash? Similar sentiment, similar scenario. Yep. And what happened? They had to step in. They had to step in. Now we see the pre-market data coming. Nvidia, negative 8%. Tesla, negative 6%. Apple, down 6%. Alphabet, down 5%. Meta, down 5%. Microsoft, down 5%. Amazon, down 4%. Are you buying this dip? I hope you are. I hope you are. Because prices like these, you will never get them again. I mean, like I was just telling you a minute ago, nothing new under the sun. Yes, David, more selling pressure. There will be more selling pressure, but it's going to be on the stocks. It's going to be on the US Treasury bonds. That's where the bulk of this unwind is. What do you see right here? This is panic selling on the Bitcoin markets momentarily because the amount of leverage of that took place into some of that rolling into Bitcoin, but was not much. South Korea, Japan, all these markets make it very hard for you to get on crypto, actually, especially with fiat. But nonetheless, not to say that some of that was not here in crypto, but it is a minimal amount. What you see now is that since everybody sees the stock market crashing, everybody on Bitcoin and blockchain and Ethereum and everywhere panics and sells. And then you get the liquidations, and then we get a liquidation short squeeze, which is what you actually see happening right now, right here. That's what you see happening right here. So we're just seeing, over $1 billion of liquidations over the past several hours. So this is insanity, what you see in the market. And, it caught everybody with their pants down, It caught everybody with their pants down. That's the reality. But this is just opportunity for you to buy. Buy at the lowest prices, because when this happened the last time, when this took place in the last time, which was the COVID crash, this is the COVID crash right here. Let me pump it up. COVID crash, exactly the same thing. Right here. This is what you see right now. This is the COVID crash. Then Powell and Yellen came in, right? They come in, we're going to print money. And the market went right back up. So purchasing at these levels was once in a lifetime opportunity purchase zones. Guess what? Now your lifetime is giving you a second chance, because we didn't think that we were going to see an opportunity like the one we saw during COVID for us to buy at such low levels. Guess what? God is giving you another chance. God is giving you another chance for you to get ready. Get ready for what? For what is to come. The bull market that is about to melt faces, baby. We're going to go up big time. This is about to take place, and you can now ride all the wave from the bottom. That is the reality. Are we going to continue to go down? Of course we will. You got to look around, guys. Look at the signals. You got to be honest with yourself, right? Look around. World War III is just blowing up in front of our eyes. Iran is about to attack Israel in any minute, and that will trigger the next major war, possibly World War III. So then you got, Japan raising interest rates. On the United States, you have Kamala being artificially pumped by the left, by everybody who has TDS syndrome, right? In America, pushing Kamala. And as Kamala goes up, that is very bad for the markets. There is a direct correlation right now between the odds of Donald Trump getting reelected and the S&P 500, because every time that Kamala goes up, the S&P goes down. Every time that Kamala goes down, the S&P goes up. And the same that happens with Trump. When Trump goes up, the S&P goes up. When Trump goes down, the S&P goes down. You can go check it. So that is a big deal. That is a big deal because we have everything happening at the same time. On top of that, you got crisis in Venezuela. On top of that, you got almost, rumors of a civil war on United Kingdom. You got an hurricane hitting Florida as we speak. So think about all of these things taking place literally pretty much on the same day. You have to understand something. The end is near. This world as we see it is about to end. So what you should be doing right now, you should be praying. You should be making amendments with God. You should be accepting Jesus as your own exclusive and only Savior, because He is the only pathway and only truth, only way to heaven. He gave His life for you because He loved you. It's the only way you can gain access to heaven. But you need to understand something. All this shit show is about to end, because everything that is on the Bible is getting, it's right there on cue. So we're about 2-3 years left. Of course, here at the Degen Forest, we're going to continue to hustle. We're going to continue to grind. We're going to continue to execute in our plans until the last day when Jesus comes back. And then we're going to be gone. Then I'll be gone because I'm living with Him. I don't know about you. If you want to stay back to see what is going to happen to this earth, be my guest. When Jesus comes back, I'm living with Him. I'm letting you know right now so that there is no surprises. If that happens that day, you should sell all your Mula tokens because I'll be gone. I'll be gone. Jesus is coming. I'll be gone. I hope you're getting ready. This is the best advice I can give you ever. It's not buy Bitcoin. It's not buy Ethereum. Yes, you should do that. You will be better positioned financially. But if you don't understand that Jesus is the true way to heaven, and that's why He's been recently so much attacked all around us, as you can see, open your eyes. The signals are all right in front of you. He is the true way. And I don't want to get religious on you. I don't mean this is not a channel for that. I actually have other channels where I preach. I have a TikTok channel where I speak about the word. It's mostly in Spanish though. And I do a lot of work in that area. And that's usually a very personal side of me that I don't bring to this side. Here, we're always talking about, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the markets. Are we going up? Are we going down? Having fun, the vibes, trying to help you make some money, because at the end of the day, money is what allows you to live a better life while we are here on earth. But at the end of the day, everything that you see around you is going to perish. Everything that you see around you is not going to be around anymore. Everything that is visible, everything that is material is temporary. It's the things that are invisible, the immaterial things, the things that are eternal, like your soul. So your soul is what you have to care for. Your soul is what really matters here. And your soul is what the real battle is for. Everything that you see around is a true battle for your soul. Jesus loves you, and He wants you so much that He gave His life. and took all the condemnment, all the punishment that was rightfully so yours and mine, right? Because we're evil individuals. We're faulty individuals, right? Sinful behavior, sinful individuals. That's the reality. That's you, that's me. And he took all the punishment that was rightfully so ours upon his shoulders on the cross. And all you have to do is accept that fact. Believe in him. Accept the gift. It's free. It's free. You're going to continue to sin, by the way. You don't have to become, while you are on this flesh, you're going to continue to be a filthy individual. But you take his mercy, his grace, and his love every day. You try to be a better person every day. You try to live by the things of the Spirit every day, not by the things of the flesh. But at the end of the day, while you're here, you're going to continue to, you're going to eat, right? You're gonna satisfy the flesh into certain levels. But at the end of the day, if you're not following Jesus, my friend, if you're not accepting him, and if you think that he's not real, you're about to open your eyes very soon, because he is very real. Very, very, very real. I apologize for this off topic, but at the end of the day, I will not be responsible enough if I knew the way to eternal life and I didn't tell you. Here I am telling you how to make money on the markets. That's going to be a temporary solution. But I have the solution for the rest of your life, and that is turn your eyes to Jesus and let him be the source of everything in your life, and then peace. That's why I'm in vacation every day. I got no worries. I don't depend on Trump. I don't depend on Bitcoin. I don't depend on Ethereum. I depend on the Lord, Jesus Christ, the true King of Kings. That is who I depend on. So that's why you see that although all this craziness is happening in the market, it doesn't affect me. It doesn't affect me. Now, I gotta be honest, guys. While you see all this craziness happening on the Web2 markets, you can see that the DeFi markets are holding strong. That's right. Very strong. Because this was a brutal crash, but DeFi stands strong, baby. Stand very strong. No major increase in Lido, ETH, withdrawal queue. No major LST DPEX. No major, gas spike. Well, the gas did spike. I saw the gas very high on Ethereum, but now it's back at 20. No significant DeFi liquidation risk. No major stable coin DPEX except Blast. Except Blast. Blast did DPEG. Everybody else, beautiful. Only $205 million in collateral liquidated on Aave. So you can see the Aave collateral liquidations right here. So nothing crazy. And this is the beauty. You see that the decentralized finance, decentralized markets, look, borrowing and lending rates dropped massively in real time. See, this is what DeFi is about, regardless of the market, regardless if we're going up or if we're going down, everything adjusts in real time. Whoever needs to be liquidated gets liquidated. Whoever needs to repay their loans is forced to repay the loans. The rates adjust and everything is moving as designed. This is the beauty of decentralized finance. This is why decentralized finance is the future. Decentralized finance is the true freedom. That's how you are truly set free from the shackles of the traditional finance systems. Because you have control of your assets and you have control of your loans. You're not depending on third parties or nobody else. Don't believe me? Yeah. In my opinion, everything should be like Gemo says here. It should be generally bullish on how well DeFi is built today. LTS, RTS held peg. Liquidations didn't cause a major bad debt. stables outside the blast coin held peg. Etina seems to be fine. Aave. Aave is getting record fees. And perpetual dexes are operating as designed, guys. Everything on DeFi is working as expected, while your South Korea markets are going down, while the Japanese markets are halting trading. DeFi is alive and well. And with that, we go into the memes of the day, because the memes are popping, guys. The memes are popping. Don't worry, babe, it's just a movie. Don't worry, babe, it's just a dip. It's just a dip. Hey, why are you here? I thought you were financially stable. Oh, hey, hello, mom. Hey, mom. Is my room still available? Is my room still available? If you check your portfolio today, this might be you. Hopefully you have balls of steel. Hopefully you can stomach what you are seeing on your portfolio. Hopefully you'll be able to make it. Oh man. This is a crypto hodler. They're always telling you, you're so lucky. Meanwhile, this is how you suffer. This is how you take it. Every time. But you're so lucky, bro. When you make it, right? You're so lucky. My portfolio. This was my portfolio last week. This is my portfolio this week. Oh man, you gotta enjoy the memes, guys. You gotta enjoy the life. You gotta enjoy what's going on. Earthquake, tsunami, World War III, Bitcoin dips. Oh yeah. Man, you gotta love the memes. Right now, all eyes on the charts. Nothing else matters. Nothing else. Now, I went to the therapist. Went to the therapist, and when I spoke to him that I was waiting for a God candle, he just asked, is the God candle in the room with us right now? Is the God candle in the room with us right now? That is the question he asked. This was me. Is right here. That was my reaction. Nothing else. What can you say? What can you say when somebody asks you, "Hey, what's going on? What happened with the all-time high, bro? What happened? What happened with the all-time high, bro? What happened with the God candle that you're waiting for? That you told us that you told us we're going to the moon. You told us we're going to the moon. Yeah. You were not counting with this, right? We're going to the moon, of course, to the moon. We're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. And with that, we're going to go into questions, answers. If you ask about the wallet, we are right now integrating in our Degen wallet. We're integrating smart contract fees on the swaps, the loans, the DeFi loans, and all of that. Yes, I should have an alpha version that I'll be testing here on my phone by Tuesday or Wednesday. We're fixing several other things, but everything is en route to be shipped here in a few months. I mean, we're waiting for Bitcoin now. We gotta wait for Bitcoin anyways, right? So everything is going as planned there. Then we're gonna start a big marketing campaign to get more users to the wallet. The wallet will start generating revenue. That revenue, 33% of it, will be used to buy back Mula tokens and burn them. That's right. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna be promoting the wallet. The wallet is gonna gain users. Users will be panic selling in times like these using this swappy swap function. Then we're gonna be charging a small fee when they do so, just like MetaMask does, and just like Phantom does, and just like every other wallet does. And then we're gonna use 33% of those fees to buy back the Mula tokens and burn them, baby. So that's what's happening. Any questions? Any questions? Chao says, looking forward to see the alpha. Me too, believe me, I cannot wait to see it working. We got some stealth smart contracts deployed that would allow us to test on them. Also, we are doing audits on all our contracts. We have 7 different smart contracts that we're getting deployed. Governance, payment splitting, the burning contract, Treasury contract, all kinds of things are getting deployed over this week or the following week as this integration is taking place. But we're doing audits and security reviews. So we're doing audits on the smart contracts. We're also doing security reviews on all the wallet code, all the backend code, everything that has to do with the wallet that does not pertain to be a smart contract. So a lot of work ahead of us still. I think that we're still around 2 to 3 months away from being able to launch the wallet. But you should, if you're a beta tester, we should be able to start releasing beta updates very soon. We want to see a very stable beta first before we come out. We got several announcements that will come out when that happens. We're cooking a lot. We're cooking, guys. Non-stop waiting for Bitcoin to recover. Once Bitcoin breaks a new all-time high, hopefully around September, because now August, we're gonna recover all the losses during August so that we can hopefully break into new all-time highs up on September, given the new situation. Now all the timelines move, and we're kind of like 1 month of delay on everything. So not us, the bull market. No, I'm not delayed, the bull market is, right? So I just wanted to make that clear. So right now is the best time for you to buy Mula. Yeah, if you buy Mula now, you will be getting it at crazy cheap prices before all of these unleashes gets deployed and we start our real moon mission, not like the one you just saw there. So any questions? Drop them in the chat if you got them. Before we go into the questions, I just have one simple question for you.
Can I be your friend?
Remember, guys, that all of these shows are brought to you by yours truly, the Degen Forest, right? Our good old Degen Forest. So that is our one and only sponsor on the channel. So if you want to learn more about the Degen Forest and everything we're doing here is a little bit about that.
Degen Forest is a decentralized autonomous organization that builds Web3 technology to help you manage your finances independent of traditional banks. With the help of our loyal community, we have created the Degen Wallet and the Degen Vault, a powerful software and hardware wallet combination where users can manage their digital assets, swap currencies, buy and sell NFTs, and access DeFi functionalities, all from a single secure mobile platform. Members who own a Degen Forest NFT have exclusive access to beta test the latest updates of our Degen Wallet and our Degen Vault. You can also enjoy free transactions within the Degen Wallet and earn Mula tokens on every transaction you make as a token of appreciation for supporting our development. We generate revenue through a small fee on DeFi transactions and hardware wallet sales. 33% of this revenue goes towards further product development and operations. Another 33% goes to our DAO reserve for our members to vote on what they want to do with them. And the final 33% is used to buy and burn moolah tokens in the open market every month. That's how we transfer the revenue generated by our products and services to our loyal community members, increasing the value of their moolah tokens. Join us today and unlock a world of financial freedom in the new era of crypto with the Degen Forest.
That's right. The Degen Forest is unlocking new value, new ways for you to take control over your finances and kiss bye-bye to the traditional systems that holds you slave of their high fees and craziness like what you see today. You cannot even trade. Sometimes you cannot even take your money out of your bank with the Degen wallet. That is not happening anymore. That's not gonna happen to you with the Degen wallet. You are in full control, and if you wanna upgrade your security, you also have the Degen Vault, which brings security to a whole new level. I see that Shao was asking about the Degen wallet. I hope that the updates I gave were enough. We're right now integrating all these smart contracts, and we're hoping to be ready very soon. iOS version is also being worked on, but that one will be released in around November or December. Strategic placement there. So what else? I think that's it. That's all we got for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you again next Wednesday. So let me make sure not last minute questions came in. All right. So we really need the Degen wallet on iOS. I know Floridona, November or December is going to be sitting around there. So be in the lookout for that. I'm going to start doing teasers about the iOS version soon. I will start doing teasers. I need to install it on my wife's phone and steal her phone during our shows so I can show it to you, so that you can see. You know, it's the same version, but it's a little bit different. It will not have the loans, and it will not have the staking. We cannot do that on iOS yet. If you want full freedom, you should be on Android. But anyways. Thank you for watching. Thank you everybody for tuning in today. We'll see you all again on Wednesday. Until then, stay safe out there. Hands off the chart. Nothing is happening. Nothing new under the sun. Nothing crazy. Yeah, we're going down. We're going to continue to go down. Then we're going to go up again. It's that simple. Bull market is not over. Mark my words. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you again on Wednesday. Until then, always remember, it's not about the money. It's about the freedom.
Coming up, bad news for savers, as even those with high-interest savings accounts are seeing their money disappear thanks to inflation. But first, we'll detail every possible thing you could die from. He's a rational investor, dividend digester, saves some of his paycheck just like all his ancestors. Him looking for high yields? That's never the case. He's seeking 6% returns. Slow and steady wins the race. When he checks his accounts just to see what they're fielding, it's like driving in Maryland. Ain't nobody yielding. What is he to do? He shouldn't be in a drought. So he visits his advisor just to sort it all out. Inflation's higher than your bond rate. That's what I was fearing. So your savings account is slowly disappearing and your CDs are pointless. That's not very funny. What would you like me to do? Put it all in dog money. Dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money. I'm trading it in for dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money. I'm putting it all in dog money. My 401k is now a 401k9. The sum of my net worth ain't no longer in a straight line. I'm making smart moves. I ain't gonna be a pun. I sold my IRA and bought an NFT of one. All in on Doge, I dish them out like a Tommy gun. You think I was statehood the way I'm passing on Washington? I feel like Matt Gaetz, you know what I mean? Assuring everybody it's above 18. It's a modern day gold rush. The prices will boom like Reggie White versus the Oilers. I'm headed straight to the moon. My broker's calling, you know that it's on. Buy dog money, don't stop till it's dawn. 1 more airbase, 2 more museums, 3 more walls, 4 more Supremes, 5 more stadiums. We're all out of fiat. Can you take trillions of these and go and make a Xerox? We pay our debts in our currency that might be unfurled if it's no longer the reserve currency of the world. Confidence in the dollar is permanent. Just ask any scholar. People are exchanging their dollars for dog money. Dog money? Dog money. Dog money. We try